What's going on, guys? We're gonna go over another variant of the AR-15. This is my Mark 12, my designated marksmanship weapon, and then we're gonna go over the accessories I store with this when I do use it or do go out. So yeah, everything that we've gone over with the 14.5, I'm not gonna go over it again because I'm just beating a dead horse. So like the muzzle brake is the same exact. I bought this bipod from a local gun store here in South Florida. Hasn't failed me yet. Haven't had an issue with it yet. So, but yeah. Vertical foregrip, just like the 14.5. I do rock 45-degree offsights. Optics do break, things do happen. It's better to have it, and I need not have it, just like the 14.5. So there's that. This is the LPVO. It's just a magnified optic, guys. It can go to 1 in 6. I've seen them where they're 1 to 8. So there's a whole bunch. I'm comfortable with the 1 in 6 for the recoil of this weapon. The 1 in 6 is fine for me. This is a Munstrum. This lever right here just helps you traverse easier. Oh, I have a target that's further out, you know. Boom. Yeah. I don't have a bad lever on here, and I don't have a CMMG trigger in here. Only reason being, guys, is because this is meant for further away. The reason why I have that set up the way I do my 14.5 is that's more for like CQB and close range, things like that. This is meant to be, you know, reach out and touch somebody. So that's why I don't really need to have the extra accessories, so to speak, on here. This is just your standard run-of-the-mill, you know, Magpul style. And this is the same exact pistol grip that's in the 14.5. So everything's in here, batteries in here for the LPVO, and more rounds is in here too. I don't anticipate on using the rounds on myself for this one. This is more for, oh, I'm out of ammo. Put a round in the chamber, send it, you know. So yeah. I just put, like I said, guys, a sling. A sling is very important to me. So I just threw this sling on here. I got this from my pops. I repurposed it. As you guys can see, it's all beat up and banged up. I do have another sling. I am gonna trade this sling out and probably use this for like a shotgun or something like that. So, but yeah, guys, this is my designated marksmanship, my Mark 12. Next thing I'm gonna get into is a rangefinder. Rangefinders can do a lot, actually, depending on how far you got to reach out and touch somebody. This goes, I want to say, I forget the exact, but I believe it is 600 yards with this one alone. I forget where I think I bought this at Bass Pro Shop, I believe. But what it is you turn it on, you shoot your azimuth. Your azimuth is your direction of where you're going, so to speak, of where you want to go, where you want your round to go. And it also has your elevation on there too. So it'll tell your distance, your elevation, how high you are, how low you are, things like that. Yeah. Next thing is binoculars. First, you got to see what you're going to be hitting first. So usually designated marksmanship, they work in teams. Most of the time I work solo, depending on what we're doing. Unless we go out hunting, whatever it is, things like that. We all go together. But you got to see what you're hitting. So these are 20 by 50 binos, and I like these because they're small and compact, but they're not as big as the ones we used when I was active. So that's why I like these. But yeah, guys, if you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm going to be pumping out more videos and things like that because we see what's going on in the world. So I'm going to start pumping out more and more videos as I can. Don't forget, check out my YouTube when TikTok goes down. Every video I post on there, I post on here, and vice versa. Like I always say, be blessed, stay out of trouble, do the right thing, stay vigilant. All right, guys? I'll see you guys later, all right?